Today we are going to continue the class of class 9 first lesson our earth. Yesterday we discussed about the universe and what are the things in the universe and so on. Now we are going to discuss about solar system. Solar system. So we know solar system is present in the space, and in solar system consists of sun and other planets. Sun and other planets, the group of sun and other planets is called solar system. Now, how the planets formed in the solar system we discuss now. So first of all, sun is formed. We know how sun is formed. So after the Big Bang, after the Big Bang, sun is formed because of the huge blast. In that huge blast, hot objects together formed as sun. And how the planets formed? Hot objects will form the sun, or what the remaining objects formed? What are the planets? Is the formed planets or something? Now we will discuss. So after the formation of the sun, the other parts formed as gases and dust particles. They formed as disc-shaped gases and dust particles. So disc-shaped gases and dust particles. In the sun, how the disc-shaped gas and dust particle formed means, so after the Big Bang blast, they all formed around the sun. The gases. So the gases and all the dust particles formed disc shaped around the sun. After the Big Bang blast, these gases and other dust particles left over the sun and formed the other planets. Okay. After the Big Bang blast, the dust particles left over the sun and formed other planets. Okay, these dust particles and other gases which is formed around the sun like disc shaped are called solar nebulous. So solar nebulous. Okay, these solar nebulas together formed as planets. Okay, after the Big Bang blast, disc shaped gases and dust particles are formed around the sun, and thus particles are called solar nebulous and they formed planets. Okay, so while now we can see what planets and what is the trick to identify planets easily. So please see till end of the video, then only will understand. Okay. So there is a trick to identify all the planets. Now let us see the trick. My very energetic mother just served us noodles. So this is the one trick to identify all the planets. So how we will identify the trick, the all planets means the first letter of the each word means in my M, in a very V energetic E, mother M, just J, served S, us U, noodles means N. So this first letter is the starting word of every planet. Now let us see all the planets. M means Mercury. M means Mercury. V means Venus. E means Earth. M means Mars. J means Jupiter. S means Saturn. U means Uranus. And lastly N means Neptune. Okay, these are the 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the 8 planets we have in the solar system and in space. Okay. Now let us see the clear of. So let us see some key points about the planets. Okay, first the planet near to the sun. The planet near to the sun is, see, Mercury is the first planet that near to the sun. So the planet near to the sun is Mercury. The planet near to the sun is Mercury. Now the planet far to the sun. So the trick means my very energetic mother just served us noodles. That is the trick. Please note in the notebook. Okay. The planet far to the sun. Means the last planet which is far to the sun is Neptune. Now the planet near to the earth. The planet near to the earth. So which is the planet near to the earth means Venus. Even Mars is somewhat little far. So before earth we have Venus, that is the near planet to the earth. Venus. Lastly the planet far to the earth means the last planet. These are some important questions. The planet far to the earth. Neptune. The planet far to the earth is Neptune. These are some important questions according to the planets. Okay friends, this is about solar system, the sun and other planets, how sun is formed. Sun is formed in the Big Bang blast, very huge blast after some hot particles together formed as sun, and these the disc shaped dust particles and gases formed near to the disc shaped to the sun, and that these dust particles and gases together formed as planets, and there is a trick to identify the planets which my very energetic mother just served as noodles. This is the trick. Each word indicates the first word to the planets, and these are some important questions. The planet near to the sun is Mercury, the planet far to the sun is Neptune, the planet near to the earth is Venus, the planet far to the earth is Neptune. Okay, these are some important questions about the solar system. Okay friends, so now this is our today's class, part 2 class. In the part 2 we discuss the further continuation of the lesson. Okay, if you like the video, please click the like button and share it to your family members and friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and meet in the next class.